I'm Joe, this is Super Trainer. Today we're doing a review on an air-operated truck horn. And a lot of people are using these in pickup trucks. Now, let's open it up and see what we got in it. So I decided to do this review when they asked me because I wanted to see if it would sound good in my truck. I don't have an 18-wheeler, but I do have a pickup truck in which I could hook this up in. All right, we got the relay switch. We got the air-operated tube. Tools for mounting, the mounting hardware. We got the optional wiring that's going to help you connect it with the fuse. And right here, we have the hardware itself. And this will go up under the hood or on top of the truck, however you like. And this will keep it in place. And then we have the motor that comes with it. So like I said, you can hook this up in the truck. Also, you may need the instructions that comes along with it as well. So we'll connect this up and I'll come back and show you what it sounds like in my truck. All right, talk to you later.